Welcome to Kudra, your AI-powered document processing solution. Today, we'll explore one of Kudra's key features, the no-code workflow builder. Let's simplify the process step by step. First, log into Kudra for free. Now, navigate to the Workflows section and create a new workflow. You have the option to start from scratch or choose from existing templates. For this example, let's select a template for invoice extraction. Modify and customize your document processing by choosing import options such as images, CSV files, PDFs, and more. You have the flexibility to adjust processing options, including OCR, zero-shot NER, or a simple receipt extractor. Explore our export options, whether it's QuickBooks, OneDrive, Google Sheets, and more. Tailor your workflow to fit your unique needs. Let's take a closer look at this example of a custom invoice extractor workflow. Start with import options, then move to processing with OCR and zero-shot NER. For precise label selection. Try out the ChatGPT integration to add a prompt and reformulate extracted labels. Once you've configured your workflow, save it and head back to the Projects tab. Create a new project. And choose the custom workflow you've just created under the Custom Templates tab. Upload your documents and wait for the processing to complete. After processing, review your documents and explore ChatGPT results. Choose your preferred export option for seamless data management. And there you have it. With Kudra's no-code workflow builder, you have the power to customize your document processing effortlessly. Start your journey with Kudra today and experience a smarter way to handle your documents. Sign up for free at Kudra.AI and unlock the potential of intelligent document processing.